Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. All right, guys, so I'm popping on today just to share with you really quickly a freebie that I am putting up in my Facebook group, the Maker Exchange. There'll be a link below in the description box if you are not currently a member of the group, so that you can join and have access to any freebies that I have in the file area. So, and if you're currently a member, just head on over to files. You'll see it. It's a 2-page printable. It's a PDF. So anyways, I was getting ready to stitch around this collage sheet that I have used. Let's see, what did I put on it? Some of this acrylic matte medium on. So I did that to this, as well as this tag earlier. Before I stitched this, I thought to myself, I need to scan it, and possibly, you know, somebody might want to use the, you know, something. I've already put the work in, so you could take advantage of it, you know. So here it is. This is the tag. I've shrunk it down a little bit because mine's pretty large. And the tag is about, let's see, it's 5 inches, almost 5 inches by almost 3 inches. And then the journal card, this, you know, you can put this on the front, and then coffee dyed paper or whatever kind of maybe lined paper you want on the back. This one is 3 3/4 by 5 3/8. Okay, so, and again, you can always enlarge your print if you want this larger. And then this is what the collage sheet looks like. So let me make sure I zoom that in. And I just used a watercolor that I printed, and it didn't print well, so I just put it off to the side. I figured I might be able to use it later, and there we have it. And this is really just scraps of paper and other things that I had lying around. So I plan to use this to create a traveler's notebook size journal, maybe a little bit smaller, but just a one signature type of thing, something that I can put in my purse and keep with me for note taking and things of that nature. So I think that came out relatively close. You know, it's always tricky scanning and printing. And so, and then this, the card is actually, where is it? Where did it go? Oh, good Lord. The card, journal card, is really one of the mailers that I got from the voting. You know, I got like 50,000 each day. I save all of them, gesso over them, let them dry, and put them away. And you'll be surprised at how many I have right now. As a matter of fact, let me whip them out. Let's see. So far, I have, this is the stack. This is the stack, minus this one. This is just the calendar. This is the stack of all of the mailers that I have received for voting. All, and I just gessoed them to be used for future journals, journal cards, card bases, whatever, you know. But I just wanted to share that with you. So if you have some and you haven't thrown them away, and you'll probably still be getting a few over the next few days, save them. You can always either paint over them or gesso over them, and then it'll be perfectly fine for you to use for your paper crafting projects. So I'm just going to use this as maybe an ephemera holder or a little notepad. And I might just do it and give it away. Who knows? So stay tuned. If I do plan on giving it away, it'll obviously be a giveaway here on the channel if I don't use it myself. All right. And so then I plan on using, I have some brown pigment ink. So I'll take that and maybe use some of the leaves to stamp on and tie both sets together, you know, the set together to kind of make it uniform. Not that it's not already uniform, but that's my plans for that. So again, If you are interested in this freebie, it's just a 2-page freebie. I say just, but a lot of love goes into these collages. Then you'll want to head over to the Maker Exchange. The link is below. And head into the file area and click this freebie. Okay, it's called A Lovely Fall Mix. I hope you guys enjoy it. And until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. And don't forget to check on your neighbors and your elderly. Wash your hands, wear your mask, stay safe, and be good to yourself.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.